Alright, closest to that ball wins. Alright, you go.
Hey.
Oh, success. Show you how a pro does it. Be a winner's POV.
Just shouldn't have said bowling. Spin that shit.
Bowling's for virgins.
Mine's so close. Last one. And I am a virgin. 3/4. No, this gonna suck.
Easy win. Watch this. Oh!
Let's go.
Okay, so he wants to battle me again because he's a sore loser. So POV.
I won, loser.
How about some goods? Alright guys, we are back in Queenstown. Yay! So we're gonna try some bird burger and we're gonna shop around. And yeah, we'll see what's up in Queenstown because last time we were here, we really didn't stay here. We just picked up our camper van and left pretty much. So we're gonna see what they have in Queenstown. It's so busy. We're very happy. How is it? This is so good. The chips, you can full see this potato skin. So we just came from the North Face store. Bought a little something.
That's okay.
And she was so nice. She recommended a really good pie store at Tanao called Miles Better Pie. So we're actually gonna, when we get there, we're gonna follow her recommendation. Driving down to our Airbnb, which is a tiny house on some farmland, and the farm owner owns like these rescued farm animals. So it's gonna be really nice to just be in a tiny house again. Let's see how we go. That's a little touch.
Choose to a flightless. Come on.
Hi. What? Oh my goodness. Hello. Oh my goodness.
But there's 3 other ducks that can fly. One of them is our pet, and the other 2 are trying to move in. They're a New Zealand native duck called a paradise duck, but he's a little bit crazy. You'll see what I mean when he flies in. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So we have 3 turkeys. I think we have 8 chickens. I'm not too sure. But the turkeys, that's the male.
Huge.
Oh my god.
My goodness.
And that's his girlfriend behind him.
Oh,
and this
wow.
is the new baby.
Why is that the new baby?
That's
a baby?
That's a
Which only
baby.
about 4 months old.
4 months old.
They can fly out.
Oh, okay, they can.
Oh, wow.
Oh, okay.
That big one
Look at you. My God, I've never.
This one's, they have a pecking order.
Yeah.
This is the alpha.
Ah.
That's a fair goat.
Ah,
But
yeah.
he's super friendly. Loves to be
Oh.
cuddled. And so does, oh, that one doesn't.
Okay, I'm
That
gonna
one
leave
can be
you
a problem,
alone.
but
Like, what is going on? I just got goats all around. All right, our attempt at starting a fire. Anyway, this is what our view while we're trying to make this fire. Guys, we freaking did it. We started a fire.
Kind of sucks.
No, it's so good. We did it. Good job, Lovey. So his job is keeping the fire alive, and I made steak, potatoes, and broccolini.
No, oh, can't you go for it? No,
I didn't use my GoPro.
then just like leave, like I can leave it.
Hey
Like
guys,
this.
we're looking at the stars,
That's crazy.
and I doubt you can see
Oh,
anything,
shit.
but we're just admiring the stars. Guys, did you see the stars? The stars are so nice. Alright, so we're driving out of our Airbnb, which was such a lovely place. It's like one of the best Airbnbs we've ever stayed at, in my opinion. But now we're heading down to Milford Sound. We're gonna do a stop at a town called TML. We're gonna go down to Milford Sound, and that's where we're staying for the night. So it's a really chill day. We're mainly just focusing on driving today because it's gonna be quite a drive down to Milford Sound. And yeah, we're out of this lovely Airbnb. Thank you, Pete, for your lovely property and showing us all your goats and turkeys and chickens and ducks. But yeah. Alright, we've arrived in TNL. Going up again. And then the pie is right there. Alright, so I got a mint and cheese and a tea. Got an iced mocha and steak and mushrooms. Oh man, look at that.
Big cut.
Put it in this thing.
Come here.
What? That's crazy. I'm frolicking. Merlin. What? What? That's so cool. Ooh, here's a video.
I still can do it.
Oh, you're a genius. Okay. So now we're entering the Milford Sound tunnel. So basically it's a one-way tunnel and there's a signal that's automated and it only lets you in every like 15 minutes. So we just got the clear head to go. We basically waited like 30 seconds because we got lucky. It just happened to be our turn. Here we are. This is the tunnel. Oh! Okay, so we just checked in and now we're gonna drive up to our campsite. Let's go. Oh my god, it's scaring me. Alright, we're just cooking spam and eggs for lunch. And we're heading to the kitchen. Alright, so this is our lunch. Rice. Kevin's got some posts going through. And we're so excited tomorrow for the cruising kayak. Looking forward to it. Guys, I finished my book. It was alright. I think if I was a teenage girl I would like this, but it was alright. It's a good read still. So now I have these two books and I'm trying to choose between the two. We're playing cards. Now we're chilling in the lounge. And we got some Wi-Fi so we can watch the game. LeBron James.
LeBron James.